Hello everybody, my name is Lynn Ismael and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 seed companies that I order from, my 5 favorite ones. The reason being is it's a time of the year when we should be thinking about ordering seeds. Seed companies are bringing out their new varieties for the 2024 season, and I think it's just good to know, being somebody who lives in Canada, what options we have out there for seed companies that ship to Canada. If you're a new gardener, I think this video would be helpful for you. So I'm going to go ahead now and tell you what my top 5 seed companies for 2024. Number 5, Swallowtail Garden Seeds. They're a seed company based on Santa Rosa, California, and they do ship to Canada $13.99 flat rate. They tell you when they would ship your order on that day that you're ordering, and I think they're pretty quick, at least from my experience, they're pretty quick. The only thing is that delivery to Canada may take 2 to 3 weeks depending on the courier and customs. Don't remember having to pay customs using this company though, but I try to keep my orders below $100. Swallowtail Garden Seeds cater more for gardeners. They do have tons of varieties, but in small quantities. I also don't like that you can't save your cart. For some reason, if you abandon your cart and then come back the following day or 2 days, the items in your cart are gone, so you'll have to start over, which may be a good thing because then you can trim down which seeds you really want. Or it could be a bad thing because then you are rushed to buy right away because otherwise you'll have to start all over again. So, up to you how you see it. I've had good luck with their seeds, so there's no complaint in terms of germination from that point of view. Now let's move on to our next company. Number 4, William Dam Seeds. William Dam Seeds is located in Dundas, Ontario. They are a Canadian company, and their shipping is $8.99. If you order one of their heavier items, I think there's an additional cost, but if you're just ordering seeds, it's $8.99 flat rate. I think they're geared more towards growers just because of the varieties that they are offering are the types that growers would sell. I usually buy cut flower varieties, and I can just pretty much order everything that I need from William Dam if I want to. I do have a curious mind, so that's why I shop around from other companies. But for the most part, you can get everything you need, the basics that you will need to start a cut flower farm from William Dam. In terms of price, they're fairly comparable compared to other seed companies from the States when you account for shipping. It may look expensive when you're looking at it by price, by unit, but if you account for international shipping from other companies from the States, it kind of balances out. When you order around this time though, they're all just pre-orders for 2024, and then they will ship to you until maybe February. So if you're planning on starting hardy annuals, you probably should have ordered last year. It's great for tender annuals though, because you'll have enough time, well, hopefully you'll have enough time to grow your seeds and plant it out 2 weeks after your last frost. They don't have much information on growing instructions though, in terms of when to start the seeds or where you should be planting it, if it's part shade or full sun. So you need to do your own research. But if you're from Ontario, these seeds are grown in Ontario, so you will know that these seeds will be suited to your zone. So that's number 4, William Dam Seeds. Number 3, Chiltern Seeds. Chiltern Seeds is a UK-based company that my friend Jane introduced me to. They have a great catalog of seeds that both growers and gardeners can order from. They offer unique varieties that North American sellers don't offer just yet. So if you are looking for something new, thinking of experimenting, I suggest you check out Chiltern Seeds. In terms of pricing, I found them reasonable, and I found that they offer a lot of information on their website. Types of seeds, what kind of growing condition it needs, when to sow it. But because they are based in UK, they won't have USDA zone information, so you'll have to look it up yourself if you are growing from North America. The only thing I don't like about ordering from Chiltern Seeds is that so I use MasterCard for my credit card, and somehow whenever I order from them, I would have to be ordering from my house because MasterCard likes to verify that I am actually ordering. I mean, I guess I can just change it, but I don't really want to have to deal with that so much, which I guess is okay because then I won't be doing any impulse buy from anywhere else other than my house. But aside from that, I highly recommend Chiltern Seeds, so you should check them out. Number two, Johnny's Selected Seeds. They're both aimed for growers and gardeners alike, and I like that they offer a lot of cultural information about the seeds that they are selling. Everything on when to start sowing, to days to maturity, to what seeding method is more preferred, if it's transplant or direct seeding. I find that their information is pretty much complete. I grow cut flowers, and I like that the varieties that they offer in their website are flowers that were chosen based on stem length and performance in the vase. They do their own field tests, and from what I understand, they only choose to put seeds in their catalog that meets their expectations. I like that the germination rate is in the packet, so you can kind of gauge how much seeds you should be starting to get the number of seeds you want as plants. And I can always rely on seeds from Johnny's to be good performers in the garden. They do have expensive shipping, but what I have found is that if you put items in your cart and leave it there for a few days, you will get an email from Johnny saying that you've left things in your cart and here's $10 for you to use. So if you use that coupon, that's $10 off your $20 shipping. So it looks more like $10. If you order anything over $100 though, including shipping, you might get hit with duty. So just be prepared for that if you're ordering from Canada. And now for my top seed company for 2024, Gelito Perennial Seeds. You can pretty much get any perennial seed you want from this company. They have lots of information on their website, including the USDA zone, seed sowing information on their desktop. They have great search interface. You can search types of seeds you want based on USDA zone, blooming time, water requirements, light requirements, anything you need to choose the plants for designing a garden, basically. You can only do that on the desktop version though, not mobile. You can switch to desktop version on mobile. It's just not very the writing is very small, so you'll have to do a lot of zooming in, zooming out, all that kind of things. The only thing is that on mobile, you can't press the back button when you're searching and then go to the search results. You have to keep searching all the time. I also love that they have gold nugget seeds for hard to germinate seeds. So they've pretty much processed the seeds so that the hard shell or whatever germination inhibitor the seed has in their seed coat, they've all been removed so that you can just germinate it easily in the soil. If you're ordering gold nugget though, gold nugget seeds, don't be alarmed by the price. For example, with the Amsonia, it's $72 on the website, but it's $72 for 1,000 seeds. You can buy 100 minimum seeds. So if you just buy 100, that's $7.20. So not bad, considering that you'll have guaranteed germination. So just based on the information they have on their website and the search function that they offer on their desktop version, I really enjoy ordering from Gelito. And just like I mentioned from Johnny's, if you order anything for $100, including shipping, you will get duties. So there you go. Those are my top 5 seed companies for 2024. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It just helps the YouTube algorithm show me to other people who might be interested in my content. I try to show up every Thursday on YouTube, so until I see you then, bye.